door direction reversal and installation of an LG built-in refrigerator. Tools to use. Door direction reversal instructions. In this situation, we need to change the position of the hinges from right to left. We will show this step by step. Make sure you have the instruction and the supplied accessories at hand. Open the fridge door. Remove the covers on the left and the right side. Be careful not to break the hinge side cover. Slide it outward and gently pull it forward. With the door closed, remove 2 hinge screws. Pull out the hinge. Then slightly open and lift up the door. The hinge pin must be reversed. Use a 10mm wrench to unmount it. Mount the pin on the opposite side. Remove the 3 red circled screws and loosen the blue circled screw. Slightly open the freezer door and lift up the hinge. You can now lift up and remove the door. Remove the last hinge screw. Gently remove the 2 plastic clips. Mount the clips on the opposite side. Remove the screw cap and the screw. Mount the screw and cap on the opposite side. Remove the bottom hinge pin. The pin has a thick and a thin side. Place the thick side into the bottom bracket. Reverse the middle hinge. Mount the upper right screw, but do not completely tighten it. Mount the door on the bottom bracket pin. Hold the hinge, then slightly open the door and place the hinge pin into the door hole. Mount and tighten all 4 screws. Place the fridge door on the hinge pin. Close the door. Put the door hinge pin in the door hole and mount 2 screws. Slide on the door covers. On the hinge side there are 2 covers. Slide the hinge cover first, then mount the second cover. Click and slide it. Slide on the middle hinge cover. The installation requires 2 persons. Make sure to consult the installation sheet and check for all installation requirements, such as making sure that the installation location is level. Check if all the specified accessories are included. Peel off the strip coating. Attach the strip on the door opening side. Attach the strip to the top side. Mount 1 screw. Peel off the coating and mount the screw on the opposite side. On the side of the door, find the 4 markings for the mounting plates. These markings are dense and may be very difficult to identify on the side of the door, so look closely. Mount the 4 plates. With 2 persons, place the refrigerator in the cabinet. Make sure the power cable on the back is not kinked. Double check that the bottom plates are aligned with the cabinet and that the refrigerator is level. Mount 3 screws on the top side and 2 on the bottom. Remove the lower plastic clip. Mount 1 bracket on each side, each bracket with 2 Torx screws and 2 Phillips screws. To mount the bracket at the hinge side, remove the 2 top screws first. Slide on the hinge cap. Position the door slider exactly at the alignment marking, as indicated on the installation sheet. The alignment is critical for the door to close well. Do this for all 4 sliders and fix them with 2 screws. Unscrew the 4 door mount plates and mount a 3rd screw on each slider. Detach the door mounts and attach a cover for all 4 sliders. Attach the door mount plates again.